Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Velar Dynamic D300 in silicon silver. This car has previously had one owner and is next due for a service in March 2022. As you can see, you have 22-inch diamond tone finish alloys along with privacy glass, keeping your personal items more secure. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space there in the boot for things such as golf clubs, pushchairs and holiday luggage. You can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Going round towards the front, you also have keyless entry, so I can press this button to lock the car and the same to unlock the vehicle as long as the key is nearby. Our dynamic tread plates and a lovely leather and suede interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice for some fresh air or to open on a nice sunny day. You have a windshield there. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you've got a rear view camera, which really does make parking and reversing a lot easier. Heated front seats, a luxury especially in winter. Touchscreen with different functions including eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard, and you can also see your history. You also have valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control, keeping personal information secure. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, and you do also have blind spot monitor, which is really helpful especially along the motorway. Memory seats, handy for several people driving the car, and a Meridian surround sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 8,692 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Velar at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.